Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Okay, today I am showing you the latest update of Pamafunds.ai. Okay, now Pamafunds.net or .com old back office changed Pamafunds.ai. Okay, that's old to change new back office. Okay, first, this is my referral link. To register your account, use this referral link. This referral link you will find into the description of this video. Okay, this is my referral code and position left. If you will register your account using this my referral link and use this referral code PF capital 967861 position left, then you will get team bonus, binary income, left and right 20%. Okay, this link you will find in the description of this video. Okay, today I am showing you how to deposit and activate your package plan in Pamafunds. As you will see here, current my purchase wallet balance is $50. Okay, this is I have sent from old back office of Pamafunds.net or .com to new back office Pamafunds.ai. Now just $50 required to activate $100 package plan. Okay, $50, 50% fund wallet balance, 50% purchase wallet balance. See how to do this. Okay, now I am depositing only $50. Okay, I am opening my Binance exchange account. Click here, fiat and spot deposit and withdrawals. I am applying for withdrawal from Binance into Pamafunds. See how to do this procedure. Okay, click here Pamafunds. After clicking here, click here add funds. Okay, as you will see here, click here add funds. Okay, after clicking here, this screen will appear. Now okay, I am depositing $50, but more than $50 because some $51 or $52 some transaction fee applied. Okay, just I am typing here $51. Okay, and and I am depositing amount. In which amount? Okay, in this way Tron is best, okay, because transaction fee is very low in Binance exchange. Okay, click here Tron. Okay, after clicking here, this wallet address you must copy, but you must be careful. Send equal amount to this. Make sure to send enough to cover any coin transaction fee, otherwise your transaction will be pending, will not be succeeded. 850.04567000 crowns. Your amount must be equal to this. Okay, see how to do this. First I am opening my Binance exchange, but my USD balance is 150 and my Tron balance is low. First I am converting 50 USD into Tron. Okay, see how to do. For converting, see convert option. Here is over the mouse, click here to convert. Okay, I am converting more than 51 USDT. Okay, I am converting 52 USDT. Select your currency. Tron. Okay, after selecting Tron, 52 USDT. Okay, click here to preview. After clicking here to preview, as you will see here, your total Tron 866. Okay, and here is required 850 Tron, and here is 866. Okay, it means that 51 USDT is enough. Okay, clicking again here. After clicking here, click here to convert. Again click here to refresh it. Click here to convert it. Okay, here is required 850 USDT, but here is 849.5 USDT. Okay, now check it. Click on the bake and click here to withdraw. Okay, select Tron. Okay, if Tron is not available, you can also type here onto the search box TRX. Okay, and here is a Tron. Click here to withdraw. After clicking here, copy this address, double click, press Ctrl C or right click and paste that address here. It will automatically select network TRC20. You must be careful. Okay, it will automatically select it. If not selected, you can click here and select TRC20. Okay, but here is check the amount. If I am clicking here maximum amount, you will receive 850.05 trons. Here is checking. Here is 850.04 tron required. Okay, with transaction fee, coin payments transaction fee 850, and here is you are sending 851. Okay, 1 tron is transaction fee. Tron fee is very low. Okay, you must deposit using Tron in Pamafunds.ai. Okay, be careful, transaction fee double check 850, and you are depositing 851. Okay, that's good. Now click here to withdraw. Okay, everything is clear. Receive 851.05 Tron and click here to continue. Okay, I am typing this code and bake again. Okay, after typing codes, just click here to submit. Okay, your transaction will be completed successfully. Now it's processing. As you will see here, the payment is processing. Okay, now check it here. Click here. Okay, pending confirmations before timeout. Paid. Okay, it's successfully paid. You are almost here setting up queue payments. Okay, it's paid. Just click here to continue. Seller's store. Okay, if it's will open late to open, now just click here again, open Pamafunds. Okay, dot AI, not dot com. Dot com is a old back office website. Now it's AI, new back office. Okay, Pamafunds.ai, just click here to open it. Okay, just click here to log in. Okay, I am again login to check my account. Okay, $50 has been deposited. Okay, just click here to log in it. As you will see, I have received, before that fund wallet balance is 0. Now it's $51. Okay, 51 USD and 50. Okay, now see how to activate your account after depositing. Okay, for activation, just click here to top up. Okay, after clicking here to top up, Okay, and select country. Okay, any country or your country, it's not problem. Okay, for activating your package plan. Okay, after selecting, select country franchise, Pamafunds. Okay, state franchise, that's also Pamafunds. Select wallet. Okay, I want to multiple wallet to activating my package plan. Okay, after selecting multiple wallet, I want to activate which ID. That ID I am pasting. You must be careful. That ID. Okay, correct everything. Okay, ID name is okay. Check your ID, double check everything is correct. I want to activate my package plan for $100. In this company, minimum investment is $100. Okay, all amount here. How much amount you want to activate your package plan? Just type here. Now your fund wallet balance is $51. Okay, but according to this, $50 your fund wallet and $50 your this wallet. Okay, your purchase wallet balance is 50.49 and $51. Okay, will be, it must be 4. Okay, now I am first seeing here. Okay, if I am purchase wallet balance, add it 50.49 plus 50.49, it will become 100.98. Okay, you must type here equal amount 100.98. now see your amount. For 50.49, 50.49, click here to confirm it. Okay, after clicking here to confirm it, as you will see here, activation done successfully. Click here to OK. Okay, this package plan will be activated $100. Now your fund wallet balance is 0.51. Click here onto a dashboard. After clicking here onto a dashboard, as you will see here, your package plan will be activated 100.98. Okay, in this way. I hope you will understand how to activate your package plan or how to deposit into Pamafunds.ai new big office website and activate your package plan. Okay, same procedures. Okay, procedure is same. Either you want to deposit $100 fund wallet only and activate your package plan. If both wallets available, then you can also, if some balance is available, purchase wallet, you can also add and do 50% this 50% to activate your package plan. I hope you will understand. Thanks.